Carbon dioxide is a plant food. It's necessary.
Say that again. Carbon dioxide is what?
It's plant food.
It's plant food.
Yeah. Without it, all plant life, and therefore all life that depends on it,
so if we
would disappear.
decrease the use of carbon dioxide, are we not taking away plant food from the atmosphere?
Thank you. I was impressed. We're here as the House of Representatives to have the state of the science discussed about climate change. And I was impressed that those who have denied the threat this poses to the planet Earth couldn't produce one scientist, not one scientist, to propose a hypothesis to explain what the Earth is undergoing, all the changes we're undergoing now. They produced somebody that doesn't even have a background in scientists. And that's what they produced to try to convince Americans that somehow that this is a big hoax. I think that's impressive, or unimpressive, depending on how you look at it. So I want to ask about Lord Bonckton's viewpoint and basis for that. Lord Bonckton, when did you start serving in the House of Lords? I noticed you brought fraternal greetings from the Mother of Parliaments to Congress, to our athletic democracy. When did you start serving in the House of Lords?
Sir, I have never sat or voted in the House of Lords, as you have probably been informed.
Thank you. So basically, I want to understand. Thank you. You've answered my question.
Yes.
You come here, you call yourself a lord to try to convince the world to ignore something that threatens our grandkids, and you're not even a lord. Now, don't let me finish my question, then I'll let you speak.
Just one moment, sir.
No, excuse me, Lord Bonckton, excuse me, in our athletic democracy, we'll ask the questions and you'll answer them. Thank you very much.
Very well, but you must not misstate, please, sir.
Excuse me. You come to our athletic democracy, sir, calling yourself Lord Bonckton. Not only are you not a scientist, you're not even a lord who served in the House of Parliament. Isn't that correct? In the House of Lords. Is it correct you did not serve in the House of Lords?
I think I have already answered that one, yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So we not only have the deniers who have denied this clear science upon which there is enormous global consensus. They cannot only not produce one scientist to deny this clear consensus, they can't even send us a real lord from the House of Lords. Now, I think that says a lot about the status of this debate, which we should not be having, because we have an overwhelming consensus. And I note that it's not just by these four scientists. Joe Barton, our good friend, asked the National Oceanographic and Atmospheric Administration to review your testimony, Lord Bonckton. And this is what they said, quote, "The fact that globally average surface air temperatures has shown no trend or even slight cooling over the last 7 years is not an accurate reflection of long-term general trends. In fact, calculation of a trend over the last 7 years is a gross mischaracterization of the longer-term trend. The last 7 years have been part of a strong warming trend that began in the 1970s, which is attributable to human influences," citing IPCC 2007. During the last 7 years, 6 of the 7 warmest years on record have all been observed based on NOAA's global land and ocean data. Deducing long-term trends over such a short period of time is comparable to estimating the height of a sea swell by looking at the short period waves on top of a swell. Close quote. NOAA, the people who work for our athletic democracies have concluded we don't need a fake lord to tell us not to act. We need real science, and we need us to have a clean energy policy. Thank you.